Hey divas, so in the last video, we just finished making this bracelet, this wire wrap bracelet, with the handmade clasp. I almost said homemade, you guys, because I'm always cooking stuff too. Sorry. So we're gonna make some charms to go with it. And I'm gonna show you one and how to attach it because then your creative genius can come out. So I had two pieces of scrap wire. You can use whatever size. Um, I'm going to make a simple loop at the bottom, okay? Just make a simple loop at the bottom and crook the neck. You know, we're breaking the necks up in here. So that really just turned into an eye pin. Truth be told, I mean, I'm not here to lie to you. So my charm is going to be really simple. I'm just going to slide a bead on, and I'm just going to do a simple wrap. I think I want to do the it's called "Where's Your Hat" wrap. So I'm just going to make a simple bead cap, just like we did in the very first chapter. Okay. Oh, that looks so fancy. I'm just going to go around like twice. I'm going to cut. And you can still save that. Don't y'all throw that away. I know you'd be like, let me throw this in the garbage can. Save it because you're going to need it for later on. So I'm tucking in. Now watch this. So yeah, I call these units or whatever, but this can also be a charm. Okay, and I'm just squeezing. Now this bottom loop that we made, I'm going to insert my round nose pliers into there, and I'm going to open that up. Wait, because we gotta wait till this camera doesn't want to be so funky. Hello, let me be great. So we're just gonna open that up. There we go. Oh, sure, of course, now it wants to adjust. Well, and I'm just gonna choose one of these loops to place it in, and then I'm going to fold it back down and close that loop that I made. So now this is a charm dangle. So see, it'll create like fringe or whatever. It's gonna be so sexy. So you can go ahead and put that in any loop that you want. Even if you want to do it from the clasp. But see, now it's like a whole new bracelet, right? No more is it plain Jane. It is just charm mania, which is why I called this video Charmed, I'm sure. Because it's so awesome, you guys. This is phenomenal. So I'd love to see your finished project on my Instagram or in my fan page, okay? So let's move on to the next video.